Hey, it's Jesse here, and here's your video about the YouTube thumbnail generators. And I guess once you have TubeBuddy installed, that your YouTube Studio Beta doesn't allow you to have extra buttons. So I'm not sure if yours has this or not, because since I have TubeBuddy installed that I can't see it. But I use Snappa. You can get free 10 downloads a month. All you have to do is make one design that looks super clean. So it's taken me a few to finally get one that I like and I enjoy. And once you get it in, you can save it, which I can upload stuff. I don't know, I think with the free ones you can't. But this is what I designed as my template. From there, I've had it so that I have one so when I'm trying to do reviews about ClickFunnels, or if I'm trying to do reviews about Partner with Anthony, then I have it set up like this. But you use Snappa, you can use Stencil. It's another one that you can have a free account. And then you have Canva. You have a free account with all three of them, then you should be able to make enough videos, or not videos, but enough photos per month that you can do it for free. I don't think you have the save button when it's a free account on any of them, but you do have the download. You make 10 videos, or 10 pictures, and that's it. But 10 times 3, that's 30. You don't really need more than that. So once you have it, you can create your thumbnail, and it comes to here. This is with TubeBuddy. The free version, I don't remember if you can do pictures or not. So you can either create your own, or you can have them set up. So I use any one of my starting points, and from that point you go to the next, go to the text editor, and I found that large is pretty big, and I like, since mine's red, obviously since I already have PWA on there, I wouldn't really write this, but you make it so you can write anything. I don't like seeing that. And then once you have it in, you can go through and you can make it so that it fills the whole top without looking ridiculous. But you make it so that it's more prominent. You have a couple different textures, styles. I like to just make it big and bulky so people will read it. Obviously that's too big, but that's how I go through and I do that. If you want to make it so that you have your starting point and you want to add extra stuff on there, and you can add an extra image in there if you want something in the corner, if you have a logo, or if you don't want it, then you can just delete it. I guess I should have done that with the text. But you can build your own templates, which I don't have any templates set up. You can throw shapes in there. This doesn't have a ton of shapes, but on Snappa you have more. If you wanted to throw emoji, you can throw some emojis on there. So if you're talking about doing things awesomely, you can always put in the arm pumps. Different stuff like that. But you do different things to make it unique so it stands out. I know mine aren't all the best, but I'm still doing what everyone does. I test market and see what people like and have different ones. I have some without. I'm just really too lazy to go through and fix the ones that are old. But as you sit and do it, and you sit and try to rank for stuff, and like I said, I'm doing a couple different things to test market to see what I can get a ton of reviews and video views on. But that's how you go through and you can edit your thumbnail using TubeBuddy. You're supposed to be able to do it with, I guess I have to go to the beginning, the studio editor. So once you're just at this normal page, when you go to the YouTube Studio Beta, there's supposed to be a spot somewhere in here that you can pull up your videos and change the thumbnail, but I don't know if it looks different because I have TubeBuddy and I pay a couple dollars. So that's just what I'd recommend. I'm pretty sure you can do it with the $9. I'm not sure if you can do it with the free. You might be able to do it with the free just a couple times so you have to have one setup and then you just write on top of it like I did with the rest of them. So that's how I do that, and in the next video I'll go over some of the extra.